So here we are, our first day together for our remote adventure. Today we are going to have a little scavenger hunt, a grateful scavenger hunt, which I think will be really fun to kick off today, and we'll move into our content when we see each other next time. I really wanted to focus on this idea of gratitude and being grateful because I am grateful for you. I'm grateful for the fact that we had 11 weeks together. I got to get to know you and get to know your personalities and learn more about you and what you like and how you like school and what you do outside of school. It's been just a really fun time to see you all in person. And it was longer than I thought we would ever get to. So I had placed bets on 2 weeks and we made it 11, which is very cool. Now you'll get to see me right through the computer. We'll be meeting like this every day. You'll be going back and forth between your periods 1 and 2 teachers and your period 4-5 teachers every other day. So I just wanted to look at today as an idea of just feeling grateful and having that attitude of gratitude as we move forward all the time that we have together. In our remote world, we are going to take some time today to practice our skills with teams. And I think that's going to be really important. I also want to bring up this idea. This quote has really spoken to me. We rise by lifting others. I feel like when we take the time to support someone else, we're feeling the benefits of being supported as well. So it's really important for us to think about those things as we move forward. If you can find someone who is in either the same period or just our same core, any of that would be great, just so you can find a support system to remind you of lessons or to ask questions or to just get online and do homework together every once in a while. So you're talking with somebody. I do that with other teachers. I think it would be nice for you to do as well. So we're going to stop right now and take a few minutes to practice some of our skills on Teams. If you're watching this because you missed class, please reach out to me if there's anything on Teams that you did not understand. So any questions that you have for me, you can ask them now, or you are also able to send me an email, send me a text on Remind. Anything like that would be perfectly fine. You know that I'm always here to help you. So now we're going to dig into the hunt. If you weren't here, you're welcome to click through on the slide deck that I posted below this video, and you can see some of the things that we're going to look for today. If I missed you today, I can't wait to see you next time.